And we also have the Pro plan. Let's choose new render, and the interface here again is quite simple as well. Let's upload the image here and it shows up on this grid. Let's choose the type as 3D model. And below that, we have a set of predefined design styles to choose from to render our image. In this drop-down menu, we have a list of all the typologies of buildings to select, and there's quite a lot of options to choose from. Let's choose office building and select sleek international style. Below that, we have light settings, and let's keep that as natural. The rest of the options are only available on the Pro version. For the color theme, let's choose gray, and the building material can be in metal. Let's choose this slider to preserve details and hit render. The time taken to render this is about 40 seconds in real time. And the output generated here was not quite satisfactory. It's a bit disappointing to see the render output here. The first thing we notice is that the AI is not generating an environment around it, and everything around the building is just flat, plain and empty. There are no trees, roads, background or anything in the environment. And as for the building, I would say that it's pretty average. The AI has did a good job in retaining the outlines of the basic image that we provided, but if we look at it in terms of details, materiality and reflections, you could definitely say that it's not up to the mark. It has added some reflectivity on the glass surface by creating imaginary objects and scene in front of it, but it doesn't show up on the actual render. And the amount of watermark that this AI has added over the image is pretty insane. We understand that this is a free render, but the number of watermarks over it is way too much. Overall, I would rate it as maybe 5 out of 10. Number 3 is MNML or Minimal. This is a similar platform to what we saw earlier, but the image quality of the renders seems pretty well, and also there are other features apart from rendering. This is the homepage of MNML.ai. This website interface and UI looks pretty simple as well. And apart from 3D rendering, this website also offers different other features. So let's jump into it and start rendering. We'll have to sign up into this website using our Google account. Once we sign up, this takes us to the subscription page. So we have subscriptions starting from $19, but for now, let's try it for free. We'll have to start with sketch to image, and that takes us to the rendering page. Let's look at the credits, and it does seem that we'll only be able to generate 3 images with the free version. We have 3 modes, which is precise, balanced and creative. Let's choose balanced and upload the image. As for the prompt, let's type in the same kind of prompt we used earlier. We have different styles to choose as well. Let's go ahead with CGI. The rest of the settings can be as it is, and let's choose generate. The rendering time is about 20 to 25 seconds. The generated result was actually quite surprising. On the very first look, the rendering actually looks very lively, and it